So what are we doing today, Andy?
Picking up an old
Jimny.
yeah.
A Jimny. And I'm gonna try to drive it home. So we'll see. Okay, stay tuned. Well, so here I am driving this fucking thing home from a nice fellow that lives in a school. I think that's pretty sweet. Yeah, this should be fun. Oh god, the brakes don't work. Alright, we'll see if I make this home. We are in fourth gear, going 30 miles an hour. This is stupid. Why did I do this? Oh god, we're actually winding this thing up pretty good. No brakes, this should be fun. Well, we ran out of brakes. Well, we ran out of brake fluid. Thankfully, I'm right by a fucking Dollar General. There she is, the Butte. All my vehicles seem to break down near Dollar General for some reason. Alright, let's get some fluid added. Oh, just gotta add some. Oops, didn't mean to drop that. Dollar General brake fluid. And hopefully it pumps up and doesn't do that again, because that was bad. Losing brakes is never fun. Well, I feel something, so that's good. Oh yeah, we're back. We are so back. Oh yeah, we are so back. This fucking thing is the scariest thing I've ever had to drive, especially down a highway. I know we are in the UP, but okay, I'm definitely gonna save this brake fluid. All right, we're gonna give her another shot here. I gotta plan my route so I don't get hit or hit someone. That would be bad. All right, we are back and wrapping. Hell yeah, brothers. This thing drives exceptionally well for being, what, how old is that? 73, 80, 93, so like what? Oh, it's old. It's super old. We're doing it though. We are for sure doing it. I'm gonna get like stormed on. Longest 15-minute drive ever. I mean, what all things considered, my son's gonna be stoked. But we still got a bit of ways to go. At least it's pretty. They paved the road just for me. Alright. Alright, stay tuned. Alright, home stretch. My mom is staying with us for a little bit. She's gonna murder me. Came with a toolbox. This Ew, Articat, get this out of here.
No, I don't want to go in there. Later.
Ooh, yuck. What do you think, Stella?
I'm going now on the south. Truck.
I love you too, buddy.
This is my own truck. And this is my own truck, and that's the end of my own truck. And this is a bench of my own truck. So this is a bench of truck. It's a bench of truck, Dada.
It's not expensive, buddy.
Like, it's a line.
Nice shot! The forbidden death wheel.
Coming up, a look at your local radar. But first, the current local conditions.
God, do I not need any more projects. Yeah. But that's okay. What do we got going on? We got... Oh, I moved. I live in the middle of nowhere now. So that's fun. Still got this thing. I think it needs a Beams 3 SGE. This thing, I think, needs a standalone ECU. The stock ECUs on the 1Js just... They're really angry all the time, and I don't know why. Regardless, this is getting a full rebuild. The CT. It's my custom motorcycle stand, but... Yeah, we got leaking brake cylinder in here. It's so cute. Look at that. Look at that. It's so cute. It's so small. But kind of fucking beefy at the same time. I'm not gonna lie. That's a problem. That's a battery. That's fine. We can fix that. We can fix that. I should put that in here and then put a beams in there. Now we'd be cooking with fucking gas. Here's a little snowmobile motor. Clean this thing up pretty good. It does run and drive actually surprisingly well. I think I really like this thing. This is going to be my grouse hunting vehicle, and my beater. The beater with a heater, actually. Look at this. It's got all the cool vibes of a Land Cruiser, but it's not $10,000, right? She's a beaut. Well, I'm going to take this wheel hub off. Hub? Yeah. Yeah, I'm going to take this hub off. Sorry if it's not called a hub. I'm sure people will correct me. Honestly, if I put a FJ45 grill on there, FJ40, no one would know. No one would know. No one would know. Outside of it going...